Looking at brain plasticity. Plasticity is the ability of the brain to change over time in response to the different experiences that we have. Synapses, connections in the brain, will change as a result of our experiences, as we've kind of explained. Whether that's new synapses or getting rid of old ones that are not used. Adaptive plasticity, on the other hand, is the ability of the brain to compensate for functions that may have been lost, which often is a result of brain injury. And it can maximize its remaining function. So the brain has this amazing power because almost every region of the brain is still involved in every action, even the simple actions. So we have this amazing power to compensate if parts are lost or damaged to still maximize its capacity to function. However, adaptive plasticity occurs more successfully in younger people. So if a younger person experiences sort of head injury or brain trauma, they're much more likely to recover better from that. So two neural processes occur that allow the brain to recover the lost functions. One is rerouting. It's when an undamaged neuron that has lost a connection with another neuron can just form a new connection with a different neuron, just using their synapses. So let's say there's a healthy neuron and the other neuron has died because of the brain injury. They used to have a connection, but the neuron that is still alive can just connect to a different neuron to pass along that same information. So rerouting may occur within our brain. And then sprouting is when those brain cells, those neurons, grow extra branches, extra dendrites, allowing them to receive more information by connecting with more neurons. Because dendrites are the parts of the neuron that receive a message, and the synapse is the part that connects neurons to send a message over. Okay? So dendrites are message receivers. So by sprouting more dendrites, we can receive more messages from more neurons. So as we can see, it's either about the synapses or it's either about the dendrites to help with brain plasticity. Due to adaptive plasticity, the brain is able to shift functions from damaged areas to undamaged areas, and therefore make sure that functions aren't lost. So we just have to utilize more of our undamaged areas as much as possible to overcome the issues with brain function and how it has been decreased.